Quiz Khalifa, Host Malone. What are some of your favorite puns?
Regis Trilbin, the woke Woolery, the trap Trebek.
Trap Trebek is the winner. Hey guys, I'm Joe and welcome to The Mashup, the show where me and a celebrity guest do a recipe remix. My guest today is none other than Quiz Khalifa himself, the host of HQ. If you haven't downloaded the app, you need to. Scott Rogowsky, come on out.
Oh wait, you said there's a celebrity guest?
Yeah. He's coming on next.
Where's the Okay.
Wait, turn around, do a little spin. HQ, guys, give it an applause. So do you understand what's about to happen here? The mashup.
I have the vaguest idea.
Okay, we're mashing up two of your favorite foods together. Okay. So we're gonna bring out a gigantic pile of mashed potatoes, out of which you're gonna pull two amazing foods, and we're going to mash them together. Hunt? This is what happens. This is like all of your Double Dare fantasies come true.
Go, get in there, find that thing.
Better be Dunkaroos and fruit roll-ups.
Do it.
Oh my God.
He's going hard.
And is it actually? It's not, should I not be? I haven't eaten lunch.
He's done it.
Ow! I just cut myself on something. It's an everything bagel magnet with very sharp, sharp edges.
Everything bagel is one of them.
I think I just drew blood. Pizza?
You don't round the corners. Okay, so everything bagel pizza. You did it.
Yay! Everything bagel pizza.
Yeah, I think we should do it. High five. Let's do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
That was a terrible high five.
There it is. All right, so I've got dough. Knead that out and you get this up. I'm gonna get some stuff out of the fridge.
Knead it out. She says as if I've done this before.
You got it.
Knead it. Am I doing it?
Do you know what shape a pizza
I'm making a pizza? Don't you gotta do this?
Stop. No, terrible. Good. Whoa! Just put the pizza on this peel for a second. Yeah, there it is. We got it.
It's like
Scott, say hi to that camera up there.
Hey. I don't think it's.
No, I don't think it's right.
It's gonna be a bubbly crust.
It's okay. Let's put some ricotta because that's easier to smooth, and then I'm gonna let's get a knife.
You're making me do everything. You're saying we.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, it's basically me.
That's the secret. Ricotta.
All the ricotta?
Yeah. You just like get your hands in there.
Yeah, I'm a very. I need a lot of moist towelettes.
I think we should put a little cream cheese on there too. And by I mean this poor sweatshirt. Look at this sweatshirt.
So this is not going to spread very easily.
I know. So just put chunks of it around.
Chunks of cream cheese.
Yeah.
If that's not a good dating profile, man.
My favorite ingredient.
Yes.
Guys, can we get an applause for lox? Cheers.
Oh yeah.
It's so good.
If you can see through it, you know it's good.
You know it's good. Wait, I gotta get something out of here. We're gonna
Two completely incompetent people making
an everything bagel pizza.
An everything bagel pizza. It's not gonna be good.
Let's see those broad strokes. Broad stroking.
Little impasto.
Ooh.
I learned a lot of art history terms from hosting HQ, which is something you haven't asked me about once yet.
Okay, wait. I didn't say I was a good host. Okay.
You know,
first of all,
as the host of the most wildly popular mobile trivia game show, I almost said dating app.
I want to know, honestly, if there's been a question that you were like, this is not fair what we're doing to the audience right now.
Yeah,
like
that happens.
All the time, every night?
Yeah. So for example, if I ask, Jane Pratt founded which magazine
I got that one!
after founding Sassy magazine?
Yes, it was Jane.
The answer is Jane. People are like, oh, that's gotta be a trick.
No. Because it was like the second question.
It was the second question.
Yeah.
Jane's
and also
the answer.
The other answer was like something dumb, like time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, come on.
Robert Luce founded time. We all know that.
Oh, yeah, totally. That app brings this entire workplace, I'm super sorry, boss, to a grinding halt.
Yeah, classrooms are shutting down.
Yeah.
I mean, kids aren't learning.
Factories, out of business.
There are doctors stopping surgery to play HQ. This is...
That's we're like massaging this.
It's like putting a bird back into the wilds. Go, fly.
I actually feel like it's
fly.
Like putting a calf back into the cow.
It's like,
we got it. Oh, that joke's too much. That joke is too much.
Savage.
Okay, maybe I went too far.
Oh my God, don't drop it on the floor. Don't drop it on.
Do not drop it like it's hot. Yeah, baby!
Crispy, bagel-y type of
Dare I say, Joe, this looks delish.
Oh! This guy knows.
First you get the pizza, then you get the power.
Then we get the power.
Then you get the women.
Then you get the woman.
No. Great.
got me dancing.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you download HQ, like, share, comment, do all the awesome stuff. Come back and see us. High five.
We did it.
We did it.
Spaghetti.
Legit delicious,
Oh,
right?
it's so good.